police met their plane. They let you finish your meal. I know you'd like to believe it, baby, but you're more kid than criminal. Just a boy who could get through a domestic fight without lighting up in the restroom. Got caught, cloud of smoke, thumb still on the right. You look so proud. Couldn't wait to call a friend. We had to fly back home. Never got the money back for that weekend. Right there on the Sydney tarmac, I threw my luggage down. I said, I'm gonna leave you. I'm not a good woman when you're around. That's when the sound came in. I could finally see. I felt the changing of the seasons, all of my senses rushing back to me. Go your own way. Watch me turn my own head. Eyes on the driver, hands in my lap, heading to the city to get my body when he took my camera, turned to me, 23, naked on your bed, looking straight at you. Do you still have that photograph? Would you use it to hurt me? Well, I guess it's just my life, and it's just my body. Guess it's just my life, and it's just my body. Guess it's just my life. That's just my body. Guess it's just my life. That's just my body. Guess it's just my life. That's just my